Part of the everyday is making the bed. This is one of the top things that I encourage you to do because we really can begin the day with an accomplishment right away. And I hope that this is something that you're doing already, but if it's something that you've been struggling with, just know that you can begin today by making your bed, even if it is 2 hours before you are about to go to bed. I would still encourage you to do this. I have been known to make my bed if I haven't gotten to it in the beginning of the day. I've been known to make my bed later on in the day. For some reason, I find that when I make my bed, it feels as if everything else will fall into place. But I really do encourage you to do this first thing, meaning right after you're done getting ready for the day, make your bed. Some like to probably make their bed right when they get up and then they don't have to think about it anymore. I like to allow the bed to basically air out a bit, so I'm not in a really big rush right when I get up out of bed in the morning to just start making my bed. I will take a shower, I will possibly have my tea, whatever it is, to do my morning routine, even kind of going for a walk. But after I get ready for the day, meaning I've showered and I've put my makeup on and I've gotten dressed for the day, this is the next thing that I do because I'm coming out of the bathroom and I just know that this is what I want to have done, so that every time after that, when I come back into my bedroom, it feels like a special retreat for myself. It feels like a place of peace. And that is exactly what I want for you. Now, when I say make the bed, I really mean more than just making the bed. But this is a trigger in my mind that I know that when I make my bed, I am going to set everything else right within my bedroom as well. So I will tidy things up if things have been left out. I will take away any glasses that maybe we had on our bedside table, or put any clothing away or where they need to go at that point. Because I not only want to see a made bed when I go back into my room, but I don't want to have anything else telling me I need to do something with it when I come back into that space. I want it to be, again, a place of peace, a place of rest. And I always encourage you to begin in the bedroom when it comes to cleaning your house. If you are struggling with your home, like really struggling with your home, or even if maybe you've had a day where you've taken a day to do absolutely nothing. There are dishes in the sink, there are clothes everywhere, there are toys everywhere. I encourage you to begin in the bedroom for this purpose, that when you come back into that space, you will have that restful, peaceful place to revisit time and time again throughout the day, because this is a place that we're constantly coming back to usually throughout the day. At least I usually do. And if even one place can be set right, that somehow makes a really big difference in our mind. And this is supposed to be your retreat space. This is supposed to be a calming and a place where you know that you can just let your hair down and you do not have to worry about anything else. It's also one of the spaces that you basically have total control over. Now, I understand if you are married, then this is a shared space, but it is one place that not everybody else that is within the home needs to be going into. So you have this place for you. And when you begin in the bedroom, it kind of sets the tone for the rest of your home. I would hate for your bedroom to be a dumping ground. I think that this is a common problem within a lot of households, that we think that not everyone is going to see this space. So why wouldn't it be the dumping ground? Why wouldn't we just throw things in there if we need to deal with it, but we'll deal with it later? Let's throw it in there and then get back to it another time. I think that this is why we have homes that are so out of control, because we allow that one space that is ours to be this catch-all space. And therefore we are not telling ourselves by our actions that we are worth having a clean, orderly home. So please make your bed every day. You will feel wonderful that you did, and every time that you walk back into that space, it will give you a sense of peace every single time. Each morning, when you take a moment to make your bed, you are doing far more than pulling covers into place. You are sending yourself a message. I am worth the care this takes. This simple act transforms your bedroom from a place of disorder into a refuge of peace. It whispers to your heart that your needs matter, that you are deserving of a space that welcomes rest and calm. To smooth the sheets and plump the pillows is to choose order over chaos, beauty over neglect. It is to remind yourself, before the day sweeps you away, that you too deserve attention, dignity, and gentleness. Making the bed is not just about neatness. It is a rhythm of love. Love for your home, love for your family, but most of all, love for yourself. And when you return at day's end, you'll find that love waiting for you, folded neatly and ready to hold you in rest.
Welcome to Inspired by Nikkiyt. Today's episode, Jorge relaxes for the first time in years.
Right. What are you doing?
I'm doing what I want. Ah! Bug after me. Help me!